Hello, the topic I'm about to tell you is how to enable and use the Dolby Atmos. First, we have to know what we are going to need to correctly connect the devices, thus to be able to enable the Dolby Atmos on a TV set. So, we are going to need a device capable of reproducing the Atmos encoding, such as a sound bar that is Dolby Atmos certified. Content that the sound uses the Dolby Atmos encoding, like a movie from a streaming channel for example. And finally, a TV set with an HDMI port that is fully compatible with HDMI version 2 or newer. Now, to connect the devices, you have to use an HDMI version 2 or later port and cable. The use of HDMI is mandatory, otherwise the Atmos will not enable. If the TV set has an HDMI ARC port, this one should be used, otherwise a normal HDMI port. If there is no HDMI at all, then unfortunately Dolby Atmos cannot be enabled. This is an HDMI cable. These are HDMI ports. And this is an HDMI ARC port. This is the HDMI ARC port at the back of the TV. And this is a normal HDMI. HDMI at the back of the TV. HDMI at the back of the soundbar. Connect both HDMI ports with a cable. At this point, the devices are connected correctly. The final step is to enable your external sound system from the settings of your TV, and you are ready to enjoy the immersive sound of Dolby Atmos. Thanks a lot for watching.